Greetings, my fellow Factorians. Zarchar here. So we all just got new phones. I now have a Moto Z2 Force. It's pretty awesome. It's really nice. You may have seen the review already. Might be coming out later. I don't know yet. So yeah, that's pretty great. But my mom also got a new phone. A really new phone. The Essential phone. Which has a, if I remember correctly, is a 2017 phone, right?
Yeah, from March.
Right? Yeah. So, very recent phone, and her last phone was the S4, so it's quite a jump. And so I asked her if I could go ahead and film her doing an unboxing of it, and she agreed. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's get started.
Okay. Alright, kind of excited today because I got my new phone. It's like maybe the 5th or 6th one that I've had. But the first one that I actually get to open. All the other ones have been set up for me and opened up. This is the first one that I've actually bought with my own money. Smarter than the box. Nice! I'm liking this. Now if I can get this stupid phone out. Wow, it's heavier than I thought. A lot bigger than I thought. My new Essential phone. What's this? Charging? This?
Welcome to 2017.
I forgot about that. Oops.
Make sure you never lose that.
Yeah, you're talking to me. Anything else in here? You got it. No instructions?
It's pretty straightforward.
You remember how old I am, right? My first phone. I don't know how to do this. How do you turn it on? Yeah? Which button? There's 3 of them.
It's bottom one.
Don't make fun of me! Ooh! Oh. I think it's cool. I like it. Okay, let's go. Where are we going? Hands-free activation. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, I like this. It does everything automatically? So I don't have to go to a person to, hey, can you like do this for me and turn it on and turn it up and stuff?
It has been a long time since you got a phone, huh?
Yeah. Yes. Your brother used to take care of that for me.
But you notice the screen at the top?
This?
How it's so close to the top?
Yeah.
There's no bezel. It's just there.
Oh, is that a problem?
No.
Oh, okay.
It means you get more screen.
Huh?
It means you get more screen.
Oh. Okay. Why is it like...
Heavy?
Yeah, it's heavier than mine.
It's made out of, what, titanium?
Yeah, besides the titanium. So when you drop it, it won't down.
You know me.
Your screen might shatter though.
Don't say that. Okay. Why does it have 2?
One is a monochrome, so it captures only black and white.
Oh yeah. And these 2?
Magnetic connectors for extensions. You get like a 3D camera.
Do I take this off?
Yeah.
You made your fingerprints on there. What's this dot for?
That is fingerprint.
Fingerprint scanner.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. think you just like phone like that.
Okay, so does that mean I don't have to come up with like a?
You still need a password.
But you don't have to use it. You should remember it though.
Okay. So when the So when the idiots decide to try and break in on my phone when I'm in the break room, they won't be able to, right? I kind of like that. That's kind of cool. And this circle thing?
I think the rationale behind it is that they cut off the excess, which is why the square is left. They cut just like the middle section because it's essential.
Okay. Hence the name. Essential.
It makes sense, I just don't like it.
I feel so old because this is all new to me.
To be fair,
You just called me old, didn't you?
I didn't say that.
Voice Assistant is a navigation feature for the visually challenged and impaired. To activate Voice Assistant, press and hold the top two buttons on the right side of the device.
No.
Voice Assistant is a navigation feature for the visually...
Shut up.
Oh. Set up as no. Get a fresh start. Let's start this fresh. To continue setup, connect to the network. Okay, there's an arrow that goes back. What's a circle? Home?
Mm-hmm.
And a square?
The multi-menu.
Ah. Okay.
Should we test out the speakers?
No, they're trash.
No.
On the phone?
It's like, man. That's just me. I have... You can try open the speaker.
Okay, wait, how do I do this? I have to plug this in.
Yeah, you have to plug that to the bottom.
This to the bottom?
Yeah. Lucky what you tried.
Either way, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I plug in my... Okay. I don't feel like sharing my tunes with other people.
So, Mom, first impressions?
I like. It's cool.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. And a special thank you to my mom for agreeing to doing this unboxing. In case you can't tell, it's been a while since she got a new phone. Thank you. Thank you guys. If you want to see more of Mom, drop a comment down below. And yeah, you guys can expect a full review on this phone from my brother. He got the same phone. So with that being said, guys, again, thanks for watching. And as always, answers are everywhere. Zarchar and Mama Char out.